Okay, so what ends up happening is if you look at an organization that's out there, basically the orangish line here is the storage, and this is what they have provisioned. So here they kind of provisioned over, and then they kind of spiked in this little spot here, and then they provisioned more, and they spiked again, and they provisioned more. And so what is happening is anywhere that there is space between the gray line and the orange line is where they are spending money on storage that they're not using, because they pay for it basically by the hour or whatever the metric is, depending on the platform. They're paying for all of that. So that's before Lucidity. When we bring in Lucidity, because it's an auto scaler, what ends up happening is, we're just going to say, hey, we want 20% capacity, and the auto scaler is going to increase and decrease our disk based on what we require automatically, getting rid of all that wasted storage that we're paying for.